Our garden project from hell to heaven. Our garden had become a disaster zone, an overgrown mess, too difficult to fix ourselves. It was time to brave a Google search, to find someone trustworthy to help. Ugh. We eventually found this website, with hundreds of impressive checker trade reviews. So we got in touch and Dean said he would come and give us a quote. Somehow, in all that chaos, he knew how to fix our problem. The extreme handyman was hired on the spot. Progress was swift. The ground was cleared in a couple of hours. The old broken fence was gone, hooray. The new layout began to take shape, despite the weather. A stylish new patio sprang up and lush green lawn with stripes and a sturdy fence replaced the week old one that had blown over. After lots of hard graft and builder's tea and coffee, we now have a wonderful garden to relax in. A pleasing, restful design made with top-notch, durable materials. A place to nurture that won't turn into the Eden Project nightmare ever again. So thanks. We love our new garden. It's fabulous. If you need help, why not get in touch with